Toskabusyo mwancho murigeria soroboti ronde Ekiama kya UDA nigo bono Kimochirie egati ye Chinyomba Chiboraria ime yense echo gyatebire nigo chikoenekia koenana amang'ana yoborimo kubwatekana n'emiroberio ao ya serikali muri kyo manene bw'Ekiama ekyo Hassan Omar nigo bono harrokandre komochia Chinyomba egati ye Chinyomba Chiboraria echo korekana neratebire nigo chigosiria abakenya kubwatoka n'amang'ana aria bakonyara koba bakubwatoka muri kitoli netinyambane agotumanyia
It's worth noting that journalists have a professional and ethical duty to publish verified, accurate and balanced information. They should distinguish clearly between facts, opinions and speculation, rumors, and should refrain from publishing insinuations and innuendos that are not supported by credible evidence and intended to inculcate anxiety and public pandemonium.
Koreng'ana n'omuriki omonene w'Ekiama kya UDA Hassan Omar egati ye Chinyomba Chiboraria nigo chiabeire CHIKORAI chitarifa choborimo asebono atebire tibagochigukira na kurigereria abakenya bakung'ainwa.
Amewekwa remand mtoto wa miaka 14 yule anasema mommy daddy because somebody in the media anajiona yeye ni Christian anampo, anajiona yeye ni Wolf Blitzer, anajiona yeye ni Anderson Cooper, yeye anajiona ni Mehdi Hassan, anataka likes, anataka retweets. They radicalized these young people. They exposed them to violence. They were airing violence on TV. They were airing violence everywhere. Is your conscience clear? You have destroyed 24 young girls in the ages of 14 to 16 years. Wewe unajua remand, ndugu. Watoto wadogo maskini facing an uncertain future, life imprisonment. Now they have taken the lives of others because of this normalization. Now that's why sahi ukavunda hata pencil ya serikali, you will be charged. We must make sure that we tell our people that violence is wrong and violence will be punished. There shall be no impunity. Enda sahi tukupate umevunja hata penseli ya serikali, you will take responsibility.
Hassan nigo atebire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigesigete kigambero na nigo esigete obosibore bw'Echinyomba Chiboraria korende teribuya abakenya kung'ainwa. Omochirie abararia asa atebire nigo bamentete echumbi chinga kibare kubeka oroboti kubwatekana n'umuriro bwategete ase skuru ya utumishi asebono atebire segiyo gwikabayirwane gwika omwerio.
In fact, who should fear is the people of Kenya with the lies and the emotions. The Kenya government respects court orders, it respects free media, nobody has shut you down. So it is these are two totally different scenarios. That's the truth be told. What we should fear is the lies. What Rustam should fear, Rustam Aziz, is some over-enthusiastic propagandists inciting Kenyans to ban the country, yet Rustam has investments. What Macharia should fear is some over-enthusiastic people, because I know SK is a very rich man. God has endowed him abundantly. Ile Mungu anakupa paka unashangaa. Amepewa. Sasa yeye akiwacha hii media iendelee na hii utovu wa ukweli, itafika siku he will have nothing to protect. Not an independent media, not a country. Rustam anajenga mpaka ma special economic zone, anajenga Taifa Gas. He has put in one of the biggest investment in ensuring our energy security. He should be fearing these over-enthusiastic editors ambao wana Kidero amesema inaitwaje headlines merchant headlines ama paid up.
Oyo kabeire omugabana bwe county ya Nairobi Evans Kidero nigatebire Chinyomba Chiboraria nigo chibwenerete koreta obomoime yense natari ogwatananeka.
So when things happen that could destabilize, or things are said that could destabilize the future of this country, it is our responsibility as leaders, and more me as a former governor and a continuing leader of this country, to react and set the record straight. Many years ago, I had experience and I work for the media house. I believe people of the nation are here, and I think your tagline is the truth, isn't it? It is the truth. And I remember when you used to sit in the media room, we'd always say that we will not promote merchant headlines, as we see at the moment in some of the media houses.
Koripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi irietariane Linet Nyambane.